In order to prepare your account for migration to the new AIMSweb, a consolidation of account information will be required. All duplicate information will need to be merged into one. This process may require a student merge, a teacher merge, a school merge, and/or a district merge. To merge duplicate students, you will need to follow the next steps very carefully. Sometimes students will be duplicated in an account. You need to check for this, and if this is your case, you will have to have the duplicate students merged. First, you log into your account. Then go to the Manage tab, and then on the Manage tab, click Data Exports. If an export has never been requested before, you will see File Name in red at the top. However, an export has been requested before, so you click on Scheduled Exports, and then click on the Create New Export button. You put in a file name for your export. Make sure that the comma delimited button stays clicked. In the Export Schedule and Frequency box, make sure the one time is clicked. Go down to where it shows your districts and schools, add all your districts, add all your schools, and under Data to Export, click Student Data Only. Any other data would not be usable for a student merge process. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Export. You will receive your export file the next day. Click on the Manage tab. Under the Manage tab, click on Data Exports. And when your file is ready, there will be a download link next to the file name. Click on the download and the file will open in Excel. Save this file before you start the next steps. In the exported file in Excel, you will see the first column will be the customer ID. Highlight this column and delete it. The columns will shift to the left. Now, column A is district name. Highlight this column, right mouse click, and click Cut. Select the column all the way to the end on the right side of AIMSweb Student ID and paste this column there. Now column A is empty. Highlight the column, right mouse key, and click Delete. Click the gray box above the number 1 and next to the letter A, and it will highlight your whole file. Then click on Data and click on Sort. Click on Sort By and choose Student Last Name. Then add a level, click Then By Student First Name, and then click OK. By doing this, you will place the duplicate students closer together in the file. Then you can click on anywhere in the file to remove the gray highlight from the worksheet. Now you need to manually update the duplicate students with the full current information. You see that we have 2 James Bonds. So I need to change the incorrect or missing data so they are exactly alike except for their AIMSweb student ID. We do not ever change the AIMSweb student ID. So I change it to middle school, and I can just copy and paste, or I can type it in. I put in his middle initial. I need to definitely have the same unique identifier, so I just copy it and paste it. And then his grades need to be the same. Then you need to just verify this information in your corrections. Remember, the AIMSweb student ID will remain different. Do not change that. Once you've made all the corrections, you are ready to prepare your file for importing. First, click the row below the last row in the document containing data to highlight the entire row. Then press Shift, Control, and the down arrow key on your keyboard. This will highlight all the extra cells below. Right-click on your mouse and click Delete from the menu. Then you can click anywhere outside the highlighted area to unhighlight it. Then click on the column to the right of the last column in the document containing data to highlight the entire column. Then press Shift, Control, and the right arrow key to highlight the rows to the right. Right mouse key in the area, click Delete. Then again, click anywhere in the document outside the highlighted area to remove the highlighting. Now, click Save As from the File menu. Select Text Tab Delimited or Text to Windows for Mac. Click Save. You will receive a message window. Click OK to open another message window and click Yes on that message window. Now you are ready to import. If you are using Microsoft Excel 2000 or later, you will follow these directions. Click File, Save As, click Text Tab Delimited, Save. You will get a message window. This window, you will click OK, and then you will click Yes. Now your file is ready for import. Now you will log into your AIMSweb account. Click on the Manage tab. On the Manage tab, click on Data Imports. Click on the blue New Import button. Then click on the Continue button. And then choose the file that you want to upload. Keep the file as standard, tab delimited, and the year 2013-2014. When you click Continue, the file will be put in the ready status. After you import the file into the AIMSweb system, email aimswebdata@pearson.com to alert the OST team that you have performed an import for a student merge and need the merge request form. The subject line should read Student Merge Migration Preparation. The merge request form will be sent to you via email. When you receive this, provide the customer ID for the account, select Student Merge as the type of merge, complete the contact information, and you will not need to complete the Responsible Billing Party section of the form. Scroll to page 2, Section 6, Student Merges. Provide the customer ID number, provide your district name, and provide the schools' names where the duplicate students exist. If all the schools in the account contain duplicates, please simply complete the school name section with All. Save the form and attach it to an email and send to aimswebdata@pearson.com. They will merge the students and notify you when this has been completed. The student merge process may need to be repeated if any students are missing in the initial cleanup. Any questions you may have, please call us at 866-313-6194. Press option 1 and then option 3.